Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. This is our all beautiful colors. Let's learn the colors name. This is pink color. This is red color. This is light pink color. This is violet color. This is light green color. Blue color. Green color. Brown color. This is orange color. This is our silver color. This is yellow color. This is sky blue color. This is our all alphabets. Let's draw the alphabets. This is our all alphabets. This is violet color. A for alligator. A for alligator. B for boy. B for boy. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for frog. F for frog. G for gun. G for gun. H for hen. H for hen. I for ink. I for ink. J for jungle. J for jungle. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for moon. M for moon. N for nut. N for nut. O for orange. O for orange. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for wood. W for wood. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Let's say with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Bye bye kids. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.